Okay, hello everybody, this is Big Bang Crypto. My name is Sam and welcome to another episode. Now, this one I think is important because I have an update for you and it's very likely to see it happen in the next days. So let's get straight into it. Well, first thing, as you can see, the altcoins are showing us some real nice gains. And maybe you remember a few weeks ago I told you that I think that the altcoins won't fall below the level at that time, and that an altcoin pump or season is very likely because historical price movement shows us that at the same time, at that time, the altcoins showed a real nice pump. And yeah, and as you can see, I mean, something is going on. Although Bitcoin, although the sentiment is very bearish, the altcoins are making some gains. It's not that much like I've expected. Really, I thought they make something like 3x, 4x, 5x. It didn't happen yet, but I think this will come. And if you bought at that time when I said that I think now is the time to buy in, you should be in profit. So I'm happy about it. And yeah, now what will happen in the next days, and I think this is very important. I told you many times that we have this falling wedge formation, and that this is something that we had over and over again over the last 10 years, and that it is very likely to break out upwards. And when we were at that point, so when we were at nearly $11,000, I told you it is very likely to come down again to $9,700. We came down to 9,850, so we came very close to that point. And as you can see, Bitcoin is now moving upwards, it's not going lower. And now this is very important. So I already posted this in the Discord channel. As you can see, this purple line and this purple line, this is an ascending triangle formation, a formation that happened in the past at the same point, so at the end of the falling wedge. So this is really crazy. And this formation started in the middle of August. So this is a strong formation. And when you take the height of this ascending triangle, then $12,300 is possible. And I told you that I think this will happen. But the situation changed. The situation changed because of this movement in the last days, this kind of horizontal movement that we're seeing. Because of this movement, the rising channel, so this white lines, the rising channel is not that vertical anymore. It's a little bit more to the horizontal direction. So it is between vertical and horizontal, as you can see. And this is why we won't reach $12,300. So here's what I think what will happen when Bitcoin breaks out of this falling wedge. And I think this will happen at the end of this week. So as you can see, 20th of September. So this is, I think, Friday, Saturday. I think that we will see a breakout, and it is likely, so I say 70% probability that this breakout is really explosive. It is likely. Maybe it won't happen, maybe it is not that explosive, so we see something like 5% gains or 6% gains, but what I expect at this point is a real crazy breakout, at least to $10,900. But I think it will go much higher than that, because the next time we come up to this point, we're able to move above this resistance line, and this is, as you can see, the resistance line of the ascending triangle. So the next time we come up, we will break through it. and then we will come up into this blue circle, and this will be at $11,300 approximately. All right, $11,300. Now, the next time that we come up and touch this channel line, this white channel line, this will be the point where I think it is very likely to have another big drop. All right. Now, why will that happen? Well, my theory is when we break out of this falling wedge, the media, the YouTube experts, and everybody will say, all right, guys, this is a falling wedge, bullish formation, and we're going up to 13,000, 15,000. Because when you have this falling wedge formation, there is a chance to come up to the highest point, or let's say somewhere around this point. So this will be at $13,000. Then some other guys will say, yes, $15,000 and things like that. And because of this, a bull trap will be formed, or this is a reason for a bull trap, and of course the main reason is the third test of this channel line. All right, because like I said, we have the problem that this channel is not that vertical anymore, so the third test will be at this point. If the breakout is not that explosive and we move a little bit like this, then okay, maybe we reach this $12,000 level. But like I said, at the moment, to me, considering historical price movement, it is very likely to come up to $11,300, test it, and get a rejection, and then we see a big drop, and this drop will be close to $9,600. So this is a huge drop. This is a huge drop, and as you can see, we will come down to test this yellow support level of the falling wedge again, as well as this red support level. Now, why is this red support level so important? It started at the beginning of the first wave, as you can see, and after this point we didn't come down to test it, and historically we have to come down to test it once again, as you can see, to see if it is support or not. And and so I think it is very likely to come down to approximately $9,600 and then start to move up. All right. So this is what I can tell you, and I will trade this because for me it is really likely. But like I said, first step is to see if this happens. After that point, to see a drop. So something that is likely is to see an explosive move, come up to this point, stay there for 2 or 3 days, and then get a hard rejection and come all the way down into this red circle. Now, what will happen to the altcoins? If you take a look at the historical price movement, they're not going to drop. They will pump while Bitcoin is falling. Right. This is something that happened back in 2015, for example. But this bull market, the current bull market, is a little bit it has another price performance. So maybe it is because of the stable coins, because the people don't sell Bitcoin and buy altcoins. They choose the safe way and go into the stable coins. So this might cause an altcoin drop as well. So they drop when Bitcoin is dropping, because at the moment, or in the last weeks, they follow Bitcoin's price movement. When Bitcoin is moving up or is showing kind of strength, then they start to pump, and when Bitcoin falls, they fall as well. So this is something that we have to take or be aware of. Choose the right stop losses so that if there is a drop, your money is safe and everything is fine. This is what I think. But like I said, it is also likely that the altcoins won't fall with Bitcoin, maybe because when we have this breakout, people will say this is a bull market, this is the sign for a bull market. But like I said, there will be another drop, and I don't know if the people then again start to say, no, I told you so, this is a bear market and things like that. So we have to wait for that. But what I'm really sure of is that when we start to move up again at this point, then there's a big chance for the altcoins to really pump, because then the people will say, okay, once again, we're above 10K, so no, we're not going to fall below 9K and 8K and things like that. So this is a bull market, and then the FOMO will start slowly, but then bigger and bigger. And like I said, the second wave of Bitcoin is waiting for us. The timing is perfect, so everything is okay. Bitcoin is there where it should be now. Everything is okay. And yeah, so this is what I think is the most likely scenario. Yeah. Thank you very much for your attention. Thanks for subscribing. Please leave a like if you like this content. Write in the comments what you think about it. Join our Discord channel, is very helpful in the next days. I can't always make a new video, but in the Discord channel, I'm trying to keep you updated every day. And yeah, so hope we see us there. Have a nice day. Bye.